Isiewu, it's more than a delicacy. It is a story passed down through generations. They say it started in the eastern part of Nigeria among the Igbo people, where food is not just eaten, it is celebrated. Isiewu, the spicy goat head dish, was originally prepared during festivals, chieftaincy ceremony, and family gathering. It wasn't everyday food. It was reserved for the elders, the title men, those who had honey. In fact, in some villages, it was served in a wooden bowl as a symbol of status and honor. But today, Isiewu has found its way to homes, street joints, lounges, and restaurants, still carrying the same royalty in every bite. And while some say it is just meat, Isiewu is packed with protein, collagen, iron, and zinc. Great for bones, your skin, and even your immune system. Just don't overdo the pepper if your heart can't handle it. So the next time you sit with a plate of steamed, well-garnished Isiewu, remember, you are not just eating food, you are tasting culture, you are honoring tradition, you are nurturing your body. If you love Isiewu, drop a love in the comments. Tell us where you first tasted it. My name is Chef Nisi, and I will love you to join my kitchen family. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.